Hey everybody, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to block user on TikTok. In order to block a user on TikTok, you need to follow the steps. If a user is been uploading a content that you don't like to see, or if the person is actually harassing you or whatever, if that's the case, then you could block the person and get rid of them. For that, you just need to open up your TikTok app on your device, and next what you need is you simply want to make sure to click on the user or the particular user who you actually want to block. Let's see, this is the content that I no longer want to see. Then you simply want to click on the share button. There you have to go and scroll down or swipe towards your left hand side, and then you could find the block button. So simply I'm gonna do it for this particular user. All right, click on it, and then you could go ahead and swipe towards your right. You could see block. If you cannot find it, so then you want to go ahead and click on the username, then click on this downward arrow icon, or just click on the name, or just click on the arrow icon or the share button, click on block, and this way you could go ahead and confirm it, and that is the way you could block user on TikTok. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.